eastern phoebe. And over in the trees there's a ruby-crowned kinglet that I obviously can't get a picture of. There's also at least 2 goldfinches I hear, but I can't find them. Everybody's hidden. I was just wondering where their chickadees had gone, and they've returned. There's a cardinal over there. Let's see, one will come to the feeder. If he does, he's gonna make a loud noise. Kind of guess which one he's gonna come to. There he goes. Guess he goes down here. Yep. That's the noise they make just before they go for food. There he is. That's why it's easy to get pictures of them, because they make that sound just before they go for it. But I never know which feeder they're going to go to. That's the thing. There's a male and female cardinal. And I'm certain that they are a couple. And they always come about this time of the evening. And right now the male is down behind this thing. The female is up in the tree just above him, but she's out of sight. And they always go behind that thing where they not only get food that's fallen, but they get little stuff from the insulation that I'm sure that they're using for a nest. Cardinals mate for life, so since these two always seem to show up together, I would imagine that's what's going on with them. Okay, there's the female. Pretty girl. The male's close by. She's probably going to drop down behind that covering. And down she goes to here. She's going to see if there's any food. I don't think there's any left. And down she goes. I put the dried fruit nuts out for him in the morning, but unfortunately it's eaten by sparrows and doves before these birds can usually get to it. So they know they come out around this time of night that this is going to be the quietest, best time. There's the male. Where'd he go? Well, I guess he was just saying it's time to leave. Okay, finally came out in the sun. And that's definitely a yellow-rumped warbler. Just couldn't tell for sure. If he turns around, we can see his yellow rump. They tend to be kind of hard to keep up with. But lately they've been kind enough to come out in the open, where they didn't used to before. He's popping up and down, getting bugs. So that's why I like having these little birds out here.